First, you want to collect any project requirements and set goals. Look at the campaign from a high-level view. Some things to consider are, what are we trying to accomplish with the campaign? What are the ideal end results? And what are the hard deadlines? Now it's time to break it down into smaller pieces. For example, say we're working at a factory that makes cars, and our project was to create a new car. The smaller pieces would be initial design, engine, transmission, exterior, and frame. Each of these projects will have their own milestone dates or completion dates. Finally, we're going to break those deliverables into tasks. Initial design, create design and get design approved, create visual representation of the car to take to the stakeholders. Tasks are the steps taken to create the deliverables. They are smaller, more manageable pieces of the overall campaign. Each task must have an owner or somebody that is responsible for seeing it to completion. Once we know what the campaign deliverables will be, the next step is to produce these deliverables. We can now start tracking our project.